So here we are on the homepage. I'm going to go and click on blog, and I want you to do the same thing. So here I'm going to select one of the blogs. Let me select the Donald Trump blog because it was extremely well optimized. So let me click on it. And over here, you see this option, edit post, click on it. Now you can't edit a post with Elementor. They won't show you Elementor because you can't edit the post with Elementor. But they will show you edit post and you can access Gutenberg. And so right now I'm inside Gutenberg. Let's say, for example, I want to add an advertisement after this paragraph. I can click the plus button over here, go to images. Now I have an image. So I can go back to App Impact, which is where I have most of my ads because I'm affiliated with a lot of online companies. And you can see here on the left-hand side, these companies. So let me go, for example, and say that I'm going to promote Envato Market. So here we have a bunch of ads. Let me try to find something, this one, for example, 728 by 90 pixels. Now it's not loading well. Let me click out and click back. Now it's working. Let me download the image and I'll just go back to Gutenberg and I'll upload my image and add a link to it. That's all. This is how you add advertisements in your blog, and you can add any advertisement depending on what you want to promote inside of that blog. So now I have my image. I can grow it bigger to fit. And I can click on it. I can center it or make it full width, right? And I can go here and click. I can go back to App Impact, get my tracking link, copy my tracking link to ensure that when people click my links, I make money. And I can click this little element and open link in a new tab and update. So now, if people click this, they will be taken to the link. Now I did a mistake. Let me just go back, make sure that the link is there. Well, actually it's not there because I didn't click this icon here. So let me click this. Now the link was incorporated, it was inserted, and I can add more and more and more links. Let's say, for example, you want to add a link at the bottom of the page. You can click add a block at the bottom. You can click image, and I can go and get an entirely different advertisement. So for example, let me get this one here. And I can download this image. Right, so here, if I scroll down, I can download. And by the way, you can do this with ad code as well. You just have to use custom HTML instead of the image block. Now, in which case, the only issue with custom HTML is, like I said, you can't center it and you can't resize it. You can't make it bigger than what it is. And so it's not going to look pretty well because you need the ad to be in the same width as your text. Now you can see this image right here. This is very small. So let's make it bigger like this. And let me go to here. Instead of full width, I'll align it center. I'll go to links. I'll go back to App Impact. I'm going to go to get my tracking link, copy my link, go back to the post, paste my link, click here, open in a new tab, make sure to save, and there you go. So if I update right now, I have my advertisements inserted inside of the post. So let's go and see how this looks like in real life. So if I preview in a new tab, of course, this is desktop mode. So here, if I scroll down, you can see I have an ad, and if I scroll some more, I have another ad over here, and on the right-hand side, on the right sidebar, we have an ad. So if people click this, they'll be taken over here, and if they buy the hosting through my affiliate link during the cookie period time or cookie period duration, which is for this example of Bluehost, it's 30 days. Now for some programs, it might be less. For some programs, it might be even more. And each program pays differently. For example, Bluehost pays $65 per commission whenever someone purchases your hosting. And so you might be asking, well, how come? Well, I don't really think we're going to make money like this because people are coming here to read about breaking news. They're not coming to buy hosting. Well, I thought the same way as you did at the beginning until I tried it. And having realized that nothing really works until you try it. And when I tried, I found that some people will just buy, because somebody might not be interested in hosting, but after they see your advertisement and something that like this that says up to 70% off, some people get really motivated to say, okay, well, this guy must have a tremendous coupon, and they might go and buy. And so let me give you an example here of, for example, today's income. So let me go to the homepage. Now, just this week, I made $304 in sale. Now, this is a week from March 14 to 20. And yeah, if I used your same or the same mindset that you're using, if I didn't place ads on my website, then I wouldn't have made money in the first place. So just make the website and place the ads and let people do the buying, and just analyze stuff. It's true that normally if the ad is related to the content, it converts better. For example, if you're talking about a pull-up bar and in the content you have some ads that will take people to an e-commerce website that sells pull-up bars, in that case, sometimes the conversion might be higher, but it might as well be lower. So there is no real science behind this. And that's why you will see a lot of websites posting ads just about anything. And that's what AdSense does. And that's why I decided midway through the course not to show you about AdSense and to show you about affiliate programs instead, because AdSense is not going to pay you $65 if someone pays for Bluehost through your affiliate link, but they will be happy to place Bluehost's link on your website. They will be happy to do that. And you won't make an affiliate commission. They will pay you per pay-per-click, all right? And they'll pay you very cheap. And so I realized in my career that instead of relying on Google AdSense to place advertisement on my website, let me go and join these programs and place advertisements by myself without having to rely upon Google AdSense. And so in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how you can I'm going to show you how you can join these affiliate programs. Now, the only issue with this is that you will need to have a website. You need to have a website. Website is a must. If you don't have a website, you can't join these affiliate programs. I'm afraid I have to say I'm sorry, okay? Because a lot of people think they can promote through, they can join affiliate programs even if they don't have a website. Well, that's not the truth. And you need to have a website. So next, let's go and dive deep into how you can join affiliate programs.